Hola Buffets, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Real Culture. I've been reviewing a soap, popular South African soap that plays every day, Monday to Friday on Mzansi Magic, around 7:30, guys. Make sure you tune in. The show keeps on getting better. The show has like a good plot. The show is elevating, guys. There's too much action in this show. Bonko has been seduced by Umaruna. Now, Felicia is thinking that Wendy had planned everything that happened at Felicia's house because Maruna wanted to sleep with Ubongo. Well, they have been sleeping inside studio, but this time around things were different. Maruna had to come to Ubongo's house and wanted to seduce Ubongo. But now, Felicia is taking things very, very hard and trying to face Wendy for Maruna having to visit Ubongo and seduce her. And Ubongo is feeling kind of guilty, guys, about the situation. Nobuhle has been lying to her family, saying Uguti she took Ishmael on a photo shoot in Joburg. She's been at work, but we all know Uguti these people have been hanging out. And Felicia, guys, is very concerned about this thing. Yagabongo no Maruna, but she says uyamthemba Ubongo. She trusts Ubongo. And Ubongo kind of feels guilty about the whole situation, judging by his face, because these guys have been sleeping and recording in studio, but mostly have been sleeping. They have been like having this connection that no one knows in the studio. Noah is very concerned about what's happening around the house regarding pictures, family pictures that Felicia took out on the wall that include Gabriel. And now Noah had to ask Gabriel that did he leak the album to get back to Genesis or to get back to Felicia? And Gabriel is 100% confident that him and Felicia will get back together one day. And he says that Felicia can't run a house alone, so it will end in tears. I don't know if this was to make Noah feel comfortable or this was what he actually meant, that they might even fix things in the future. Well, let's hope. Mpumi, guys, is on her song that she has been dreaming about. She has been working on the song. She has been trying to get the tone, I think. But judging by the face and judging by the actions, you could see that she has been like sequencing the song, setting up the song that she's always been dreaming about. So none of us know the song, but luckily and fortunately, she sang it out. But we can't just wait for the end product, the real end result of the song, because I do think the song is going to be nice, guys. This is getting very, very serious for Mpumi. You could see the facial expressions that like she's throwing papers, she's writing, she's scratching, she's this, she's that. There are many actions towards her body language and her face too. So challenge time for the couple. Ishmael and Nobuhle are having fun as usual. Now this appears to be a dance challenge. You guys know with TikTok there are dance challenges and everything. So I relate the whole thing to Nobuhle, no Ishmael. I love Ishmael's moves, I won't lie. And like he caught the moves very, 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 very early. As you can see, they went live and Ishmael is kind of having fun with a smile on his face. So now the couple is doing the dance moves together, as you can see, guys. I love this. This is my favorite scene of the episode. This is when Nandi came to visit Umafisto, guys. And I love the doctor part because obviously, as you can see, Unandi, guys, I went to see Umafisto, but there were intentions of Unandi having to have fun with Umafisto, if you know what I'm saying. And Umafisto seemed not to have interest at first, but the role of doctor and patient killed me. I won't lie. It killed me. Umafisto had to be the doctor. Unandi, his girlfriend, had to be the patient. So as you can see, guys, Unandi was like, it's very sore everywhere. My body is aching, and my face was like, wait, and everything. So the love story continues, guys. Nobuhle gets a visit from Ishmael, and Ishmael has like a small parcel for Nobuhle to show his love for Nobuhle. Obviously, that's his girlfriend. As you can see by Fetu, these guys have been flirting. And I love the elevation of the relationship, honestly. It's very pretty. It's very, 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 very nice. The connection is very, very dope. Maruna is crashing out, guys. Maruna is full of emotions regarding everything that has been happening, her life activities regarding Ubonko. She also has been like reminiscing and rethinking about everything that has been happening. Also, the bad news of her album. That's crazy, guys. It's not even looking good for Maruna at this point. So, it's woman to woman, mother vs mother. Felicia visits Wendy just to have like a convo, but the convo heated up. So there's too much tension in this. Too much tension. So this is regarding Maruna having to go to Ubonko and seduce Ubonko. So Felicia is attacking Wendy, telling Wendy that Maruna must stay away from Ubonko. And by the looks of it, I think Wendy does not even know what's going on. She doesn't even know what Felicia is talking about, because I don't remember a clip of Wendy sending Maruna to Ubonko. It's crazy. Game night for the couples. 2x2, 1 for Sori. So, yeah, guys, as you can see, kumnandi. It's a games night. The couples are having fun. Games are played and everything. But Ishmael had something for a little surprise for Unobuhle, guys. Ishmael, before I even reached that part, well, the games and everything. But as I said, guys, the love is actually elevating between Ishmael and Nonobuhle. So Ishmael had to go to Maboneng, CPT of Joburg, guys, if you don't know, to get a tattoo. As you can see in the picture, guys, written Ubuhle in the heart. I think this is dedicating the tattoo to Nobuhle, actually showing Nobuhle how much he loves Nobuhle. But one guy seems not to be happy about this whole thing, and I think it's Mephisto, guys. As you can see his face, Mephisto isn't happy about the whole situation of the tattoo. Maruna goes on a live, guys, and crashes out about everything that has been happening in her career, marketing sales of her album Hello, the connection that she thought she would have with Ubonko, what they did, but not specifically that they slept together. So she said something in hidden detail, though, that like she thought there was a connection between her and Bonko, but that didn't happen. The connection was broken even when her album was actually getting low marketing sales. So everything for her is just a downfall. Let me know what you think is going to happen next, guys. The show keeps on elevating. Genesis Monday to Friday, Mzansi Magic, 7:30, guys. Make sure you tune in. Enjoy the show. Let me know what you think is going to happen in the comment section. Like, share, comment, subscribe, ring the notification bell every time I drop. Make sure this video reaches a lot of people. And yeah, man, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Real Culture loves you. Danko.